Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by making critical checks so nothing blocks the link. Make sure the head unit explicitly lists Zlink and Apple CarPlay. That compatibility matters. Use a data-capable USB cable. Cheap cables often fail to carry the protocol. Once you have that, plug the cable into the head unit and your iPhone, then allow the phone to accept USB data. This early acceptance prevents the connection from being blocked later when the head unit tries to enumerate the phone as CarPlay. Now you complete the active handshake between devices. On the head unit, choose Zlink or the CarPlay input so it starts scanning USB devices. When the iPhone prompts, tap Trust or Allow so the head unit can access apps and audio. Without that permission, the screen will stay blank. Next, grant microphone and location permissions. Voice control and navigation need them. If the head unit offers CarPlay setup screens, follow them to map steering buttons and confirm audio routing, so controls work smoothly. Finish by verifying everything functions end-to-end. Play audio, start navigation, and place a call to confirm microphone and speaker routing. Once done, customize app order and shortcuts in iPhone settings CarPlay to make use faster. Also map steering wheel buttons if your head unit supports it. If the connection is unstable, power cycle the head unit and iPhone, try a second known good cable and different USB port, and confirm the head unit firmware and iOS are up to date. Those fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.